This is the newly upgraded AOSU D1 SolarCam. All-in-one protection made easy. Install it once and then never worry about it again. AOSU's high-efficiency solar charging keeps your cameras powered around the clock. No outlets, no battery swaps. Looking for full coverage? AOSU connects up to 6 wireless cameras, all seamlessly synced in one app.
Now, where did I put my wallet?
Get the detail you need with 3K ultra-clear vision and powerful 6x zoom. With cross-camera tracking, AOSU follows motion from one camera to the next and stitches it all into one smooth, uninterrupted view. No manual painting needed. AOSU tracks movement with smooth, automatic 360-degree rotation.
Thanks, Adam. The lawn's looking great.
You got it.
See every detail, even in the dark, with AOSU's full-color night vision.
Delivery for the Russos? I'll be right there.
Your footage stays secure and easy to access, with support for up to 1 terabyte. AOSU. Security that's smart, simple, and trusted.